Hello everyone, my name is Karen Mace and this is my introduction video. A little bit about myself. Right now I'm in Virginia and we'll be moving later this summer. Let's see, here's a picture of me and my husband. We've been married 13 years. We got married back in May 2005. We have 2 kids, our twins, Nicholas and Katie, and they will be turning 4 in 1 month, a month from today actually. We are a military family. We move around a lot, and these are just some places I've listed that I've lived. I was born in New York, and I've lived in Texas, Utah, Virginia, Kentucky, Nebraska, Florida, and Germany. My husband's Army, my dad was Air Force, so I know the military life very well. This is a picture of my husband. He was in Kuwait when our twins were born, and this is him meeting them for the first time when they were 3 months old. So it's kind of a special picture. Some things that I like. I decorate cakes. This is a picture of an Easter cake I made a few years ago. And everything you see is edible. The bunny ears, the flowers, the basket handle, the eggs. It's all handmade and it's all edible. I love hiking. This is a picture of a hike that my husband and I went on. It's about a 5-mile hike to a waterfall in the place was, where were we? The Great Smoky Mountains in Tennessee. And I love that hike. It's a beautiful hike. And if you guys have never been to the Great Smoky Mountains, put it on your bucket list because it's a really wonderful place. I also like music. I play the piano, the organ, and the flute. And this is a picture of my son who is sitting at the piano trying to imitate mommy. And I just love this picture. It's one of my favorites. Alright, so favorite books. These are some of my favorite books from when I was a child. There's I Am a Bunny. This is the first book I remember my mom reading to me when I was 2, 3 years old. And it has some beautiful pictures in it. And then the Berenstain Bears books. We probably owned every single one of those books. They just filled our shelves, and my brothers and I would read them all the time. And then Goodnight Moon. Goodnight Moon, the pictures in that one are not as pretty, but I love the story, and I love the words in that book, and I love how it gets softer and more gentle towards the end of the book, as it's kind of lulling you to sleep. And then some other books that I really love, the Narnia series, the Harry Potter series, and the Princess and the Goblin. This is one of the first books I remember my mom reading to me that was like a novel, and that's one of the, I think probably the book that sparked my love of books and my love of reading. And so that one's kind of special to me. And then these other books, Little Women, The Giver, The Hobbit, and Ella Enchanted, those are all children's books that I just really love reading and enjoy having in my home. So yeah, those are my favorites. I look forward to meeting everybody and watching your videos. And we'll talk to you later.